Hi everybody, my name is Sergio Soares, founder and CEO of Criar Space Systems. I am a physicist and mathematician. Criar Space System is a startup founded 2 years ago that is a part of conglomerate of companies named Grupo Criar, which today has 200 employers more or less. Grupo Criar has almost 30 years of experience dedicated to development of intelligent systems and solutions. Grupo Criar currently operates in 11 states of the Brazilian Federation and has a headquarters in the city of Ilhavo in Portugal, being strategically located in the central building of PCI, and Creative Science Park in the Aveiro region. The annual turnover is around $12 million. After creating the Criar Space System, we start our activity in the development of products and systems for the aerospace area, such automatic directional antennas, CubeSats, and applications that allow monitoring through the data provided by these products. I am pleased to make a brief presentation now of the automatic direction antenna designed to telemetry, tracking, and satellite commands. ADA, or automatic directional antenna, is designed for telemetry tracking and satellite command. The new space is a new moment with the industry and technology and scientific and educational and commercial application. The context and motivation of this ADA is the idea behind the construction of the public network of antennas for monitoring low orbit satellites called dataset, where these antennas will be built and distributed by the Criar Space in partnership with the teaching and research institutions around the world. This antenna network will be treated in the philosophy of open software and hardware and should be used by institutions for teaching and research in several areas of acknowledgement, such as fine mechanics, electronics, microcontrollers, aerospace engineering, physics, radio frequency communication, among others. The use of the antenna follows the scheduling philosophy, and scheduling for use in teaching and research, and scheduling for use in satellite monitoring. When the antenna has not been scheduled for use in teaching, it is free to capture signals or send signals to satellites within its range. All data collected is valuable and may be public or restricted according to the regulations and the purpose of each satellite. In the global satellite industry, the ground station and ground infrastructure is a great part of the investment in this area. Specifically talking about for nano and micro satellites is predicted which in these last 2 years and the next 5 years a great activity in this area. About the datasat network, compound with the ADA or automatic directional antenna, these ground stations can be operated with various kinds of antenna and various bands of frequency. Datasat network can be telemetry, tracking, and send automated command, can control a receiver and make the signal processing. The datasat network have the philosophy based on the public software and the public hardware. In this actual version of the ADA, the system is 2 units, the outdoor units and indoor units. In the next version, outdoor and indoor is inside the same body of the antenna. The diagram of the space and the ground segment is to show with the satellite is in orbit around the planet, and the dataset network is capable to take the signal and put all the signal in the internet information access using a website or database. In the near future, I think to put in orbit a star CubeSat. STAR is satellite of telecommunication in aerospace research. The idea of the star is the star have a lot of antennas in different bands to transmit and receive signal to patronize this reception of this signal around the world, to have difference in the time, in the latitude, the longitude, and the ionosphere aspects or flares on the sun and other kinds of the conditions, to study how is the communication around the world with patronized signals in the star and the patronized antennas with the ADA. About ADA, automatic directional antenna, is composed by motors, modules, reducers, and control drivers, and the antenna module connect in this structure. From received azimuth and elevation coordinates, these components automatically move the antenna to desired direction. ISDR and radio-defined software is used to reception and transmission of the commands to the satellites. As is important, speak with the precision of this movement and elevation and in azimuth. The precision is the 0.1 degrees. It's important speak to ADA, automatic directional antenna, which is so easy for installation, so easy and simple operation. And the tracking of satellites is automatic, scheduled, and the software is updated remotely. To take examples of the signals captured by the automatic directional antenna, ADA, you can take these files in the website Criar Point Space. Thank you for everybody for your attention. And this is dataset and worldwide network public, which a philosophy of the open software and open hardware. Thank you for all.